start with one of the extra large stretchy wraps. This is one that is in stock. It is the navy tie-dye denim. Super cute wrap. Pretty much goes with anything, but it definitely goes with denim. So these wraps are pretty large. They fit easily over any size head. I'm going to start with this very small fold here. I'm going to place it over my head and bring it down right below my brows. So you have the full wrap here. Place it over your head. Of course, it's too big. You can see, right? So we're going to take it. We're going to fold it a little bit. And then we're going to make it smaller and still bring it over our brows. Next, you want to make sure that your ends are even, right? So once you double check, make sure everything is even. Mine are a little crooked. Then you grab both sides of the full wrap as like ponytails or whatever. So I'm going to take both sides that I'm grabbing all of the fabric and I'm going to bring it to the back and I'm going to tie it in a knot. Make sure that when you tie it in a knot, it is very firm. If you have bulky braids like mine, you maybe want to adjust them to get a firmer tie with your wrap. When you turn around, you want to kind of make sure, I like to make sure that my wrap is a little bit over my ears. That's how I know it's down far enough. So I'm going to tighten it up one more time. So then I'm going to start with, which is my right, possibly your left if you're looking at this video. And I'm going to start to twist. And this is going to give the first layer for me. And I'm going to put this one, is going to go on the bottom. So we're going to bring it here after twisting from here. That's one of my random locks. And we're going to bring it around here. And when we take it to the back, we're going to find a place for it underneath here in the back. So as you see, we're going to tuck here. Then when I come back around, I'm going to do the same thing here. Now for this one, I'm going to move it down a little bit because this is going to actually go over top. So I'll start here twisting. And as I start to twist, because I'll still be twisting, I'm going to place this on top here. So then you begin to bring it across the front. And this one, I'm going to do a tuck in here, bring it from underneath, and then tuck it underneath. Making sure everything in the back is secure. Ta-da, super easy. So now we are on. I'm going to bring it above my ears. Then I'm going to just take my fingers, bring this part up above my brows, and we are done. Super easy, super quick, super easy to do with the stretch wrap.